Welcome to my channel Logic Kids. Today in this video I shared many sample questions which help us to crack the exams like Olympiad, Logic Kids, any other exams related to the series. It's just in sample, so we have to check the questions and practice simultaneously. So let's get started. So let's start with our first question. Look at the series 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. In this question, we can easily see that the series is on increasing side. It means जो series है वो आपकी ascending order में है. So, second step is to check the difference between the alternative numbers. If we can see the difference between the 2 and 4 is 2, 4 and 6 again 2, 6 and 8 2. It means जो हमें इसका आंसर मिलेगा we have to add the 2 in the last number, that is 10. 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. So the answer is 12, option B. Next we have the series of 7, 10, 8, 11, 9, 12. Now we have the two methods to solve this series. First is we called alternative addition and subtraction. It means इसमें क्या होता है alternatively एक प्लस होता है एक माइनस हो रहा है एक प्लस होता है एक माइनस होता है 7 में if we add 3 we'll get 10 and if we will less 2 we'll get 8. Same way अगर 8 में हम प्लस करते हैं 3 we will get 11 and 11 minus 2 9. 9 plus 3 12 and 12 minus 2 10. The answer is 10. Second way is that it's an alternative serial series. Suppose if we count from 7, then 8, then 9, and automatically this number would be 10. And if we have one more blank over there, then we can count from here 10, 11, 12, then 13. So the answer would be 13 to the next to next fill in the blanks. Our next series is 3, 4, 7, 8, 11, 12. सारी सीरीज को सॉल्व करने के लिए सबसे फर्स्ट इज अ स्टेप टू चेक द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द ऑल्टरनेटिव नंबर्स. अगर यहाँ मैं चेक करती हूँ द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द 3 and 4 is 1, then again 3, then difference between 7, 8 and 1, then 3. It means the pattern is goes like 1, 3, 1, 3. So we are going to add 3 in the last digit, that is 12, to get the answer as 15. Okay, now we have the next series in which we have to fill in the blanks in between. Find the missing number. So if we start again, the difference between 72 and 76 is the addition of 4. We added 4 over here. Then we less 3. Then again we add 4. Then 3. So we are going to add the 4 in the 74 to get the 78. So the answer is 78. So this type of series are called the alternative addition and the subtraction series. Next we have the series like 15 dash 27 27 39 39. We can see that we have to fill in the blanks in between. So it's a simple repetition series in which every alternative number is repeating itself like 27 27 39 39. So the answer would be 15. 15 then 15. In case we have to fill this blank, then we have to check the difference between the alternative number. And if we can see that if we add 15 plus 12 we get the 27. Again, if we add 12 to 27, we'll get the 39. And if we are going to add 12 in the 39, we'll get the 51 as the answer over here. So we have the next series again in which we have to fill in the blank. So, if we can check the series here, we can see that 93 is the number which is randomly added after every two numbers. So, 93 is added after two numbers. It means 83, 73, 93, 63 dash number, then 93. If we check the difference between each and every alternative number, it comes to be 10. 83 minus 10, 73. 73 minus 10, 63. 63 minus 10, it comes out 53. So the answer would be 53. Option number B. It's a simple subtraction series with a random number of 93 added after every third number. Now we have another series 8, 43, 11, 41. We have to fill in the blank 13, 17. This is again the case of alternative series in which we have the one series 8, 11, fill in the blanks, then 17, and another series as 43, 41, 39. Here we can see that this 43, 41, 39 series is in descending order where they are deducting the 2 from the every alternative number. 43 minus 2, 41, 41 minus 2, 39. But in the another series, they keep on adding the 3 to the next alternative number. If we add 3 to 8, it comes to 11. If we add 3 in the 11, we'll get the 14. If we add 3 to 14, we'll get the 17. The answer is 14. Here in this series 70, 71, 76, we have to fill the blank 81, 86, 70, 91. If we see the 70, it occurs after every two numbers. 81, 86, then 70 again. It means after leaving the two numbers, the 70 should come here. So the answer is option A, 70. Alternatively, what is adding in the another series is that 71, if we add 5, 76. 76 plus 5, 81. 81 plus 5, 86. So 86 plus 5, 91. In this way, we can add one more 5 and comes to the next number. In this series 80, 10, 70, 15, 60, what number should come next? Here if we see the pattern 80, 70, 60, it means 10 is subtracting from the alternative number. And the second series is 10, 15. What number should come next? It means in this from this number they keep on adding the 5 to the next alternative number 10, 15. Answer would be 20. If we add 5 to the 15, answer would be 20. So the option is A, 20. Our next series is 31, 29, 24, 22, 17, and what number should come next over here. Now if we see the difference between 31 and 29, it comes to be 2. Then 29 minus 24, 5. Again it's 2, again it's 5, again it will be 2 less. 17 minus 2 is 15. So answer is 15. Option A. Thank you so much for taking time out and check my questions. Stay tuned. Take care. Thanks again.